Good afternoon, welcome to MarineMax Sarasota. My name's Adam Morse, and today we're going to go through the 2011 Sea Ray 28 Sundeck, our trade-in. So we do accept trades and financing's available. So we're going to take a look real quick. We have rear seating, we have a nice sun pad and swim platform. We have L-shaped seating here in the cockpit. Lots of space, big boat, nice wet bar here. We have a sink, storage in here, place for a cooler, stereo system, trash can. The engine on this boat is a Mercruiser 350 mag with the Bravo 3 outdrive. So we have two captain's chairs here. Nice dash, stereo remote control. You have trim tabs on this boat as well. Head on this side, nice freshwater sink. And this is a pump out head, it is plumbed. Bow table towards the bow. We have the nice fold out armrests and the beach boarding ladder. So this boat is a black hull, so check out the pictures, you'll see it's very clean. Come down to MarineMax Sarasota and take a look.